All right, so this is probably the last outing to mow the lawn for this season. I've already done the front yard, did that last night, got it done. Want to get things cleaned up back here today. I'm going to be bagging my clippings today. You'll notice that the backyard is significantly more along in the dormancy stages than the front yard. The front yard is looking fantastic. And the reason for that is because the backyard gets tons more activity. The kids are playing baseball back here literally every day. They're playing back here. You can even see like along the fence line over this way that the grass is greener because it's just not trafficked near as much as the open space here behind me. So the boy says he wants to mow, and why not? It's the last mow of the year. Might as well, right? So the nice thing for us is we can accommodate that. We have two Toro eTimemasters, one being electric, one being gas. So I will take the electric one, and he will take the gas one. Easy solution. All right, first things first, we're gonna bag today. So here's the bags, which means we need to remove, oh, it's already out. That's good. We need to remove the mulch plug. There we go. There's the other one. Very nice. Isn't it so cute? It's just his size. He hasn't mowed really that much this year either, so he's due. He needs to put his time in. First time bagging on this one for me, so that'll be fun. Key, good. And power. So these have the 10 amp hour batteries in them. That one's got 3 out of 4. I'm gonna put an extra battery. I've got a 7.5 amp hour battery here that's fully charged. I doubt I will need all that, but I don't want to make the walk of shame for a new battery. So for him, he needs gas. Don't you come after me for filling up gas on the grass either. I am very accurate with my filling, and me and this Shore can here have a nice relationship, and I will not spill too much, hopefully. Henry, can you back up a little bit so I can see? Because your shadow,
the bubbles.
Minimal. That'll be fine. Okay, so he says he wants to start it, so let's see what you got. Ooh. Ooh. You gotta pull it farther out. Watch your elbow there. You want me to do it? You're gonna flood it. Here, hold on. Let your old dad do it. You got it warmed up for me so I can get it on the first pull. Oh!
There you go.
First pull! So I did forget that I need to go around the collar of the putting green and chipping area. Forgot to do that. We go all the way down for that one. Hopefully we don't take too much color out of this. Find out. Looks like it's gonna be all right. Well, that was really efficient. And if I have to say, the only thing better than having one TimeMaster is having two TimeMasters. You get things done really fast. Even having to move a camera around, he did most of the work. But really nice to have that done. One thing less on the checklist to kind of close out the lawn season for 2023. So a couple quick end of the year final thoughts on the eTimemaster. If you're into bagging your clippings, this is great. This will be just fine for you. If you're into mulching, not yet. But other than that, if you're bagging, if you just want to bag your clippings, this is fantastic. It's great if you want to go electric on your TimeMaster. If you're thinking of, you're wanting a TimeMaster and you want an electric mower and you're into bagging your clippings, go for it. So that's that. And that is pretty much the 2023 lawn season. Kind of crazy that we're already there. This year flew by. And I want to close off the year just by letting you know that I have extra stickers and hats and all kinds of things that I want to give you. So just shoot me an email with your address, and while supplies last, I will send them out to you. So Jimmy@jimmylewismows.com. Send me an email with your address and I'll hook you up. So there you go. That was a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun working with him. He's just a blast, and it's kind of fun to watch him grow up and enjoy that, being a dad. So that's going to go to wrap it up for today. Sincerely, thanks for watching. Again, if you want a sticker or a hat or something, just send me an email with your address. All the information down below. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you so much. I'll see you next time.